Hello everyone, Rob Melbourne here. Today I just picked it up, the portable blender from post office after delivery, and I was very impressed by the first look. So I thought it's worthwhile to post it. Well, I bought from the eBay. Well, there was one seller and selling really good price, a good price, and they're having extra discount from the eBay promotion. So, well, obviously, I just thought I'll give it a try. I think normally maybe $50 to $100 in between, but I bought it for $23 after all the discount applied. Nowadays have a eBay promotion a lot, so I'm buying a lot from the eBay lately. So keep in mind, if you look at this video, well, in few days you may check, on the eBay. I think they have a special until mid-February. Yeah, go to the main point of this video. Well, as you can see, like I think they could promote better and they can sell better, but well, I'm happy with it because of this, a little bit like a promotion way or promoting way. Probably they sell less and they, sell for cheaper price, I guess. You see, if you look at it, it's really huge. It looks like, and if you're looking at the picture of it, it, it has like, whole length that you need to carry it. But I just opened it, and this is what I got. It's really, really good glass finish, and it has, it has the, the how do I say, showing the how many mils they are, and well, of course, this part is plastic, but the handle is a little bit like a rubber finish, or yeah, and oh, wait a minute, where's the actual blade? Wow, you see how it can be twisted, and there's a USB with it, and yes, this blender part is actually can be disconnected. And so what it means, you make blending. Of course, I didn't try, so I assume, but it must be the way. Just assemble like this way and blending it and turn around, and then yeah, you can disassemble the blender, and then you can twist to cover it, and it becomes the bottle with the drinks that you blend. Obviously, the purpose for me to buy this is to blend the diet drink, which actually I just found that it's not really mixing properly. Wait. Oh. Yeah, so yeah, that's my purpose, but I will time to time try to mix it with fruits, or maybe even blending vegetable. I will actually show you can blend baby food, juice, and smoothie, and what's that? Green smoothie, well, smoothie and green smoothie, and powder mixer, and teacup. Yeah, that's the way to go. And then obviously this Sansai is the brand, and portable blender. Well, I haven't used it, but I'm pretty happy with it because it can charge with the laptop or PC, and car charger, and yeah, power bank and wall charger. So yeah, and 2200 mAh. You can use 15 times after full recharge. And there's a four sleeve. Yeah, that's about it. And oh wait. Waterproof and light tips. Light tips. Well, I will find out later. Anyway, yeah, that's the end of the review, and yeah, I strongly recommend if you're looking at the portable blender. Give me your thought if you used it, and if you're not happy, or if you use it and you're really happy, just put the comment on. And yeah, I will put the comment on after I actually blending it. Thank you. Bye.